What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to talk to y'all about this slab we're pouring. It's going to be a 20 by 20 monolithic slab with 12-inch footers, and I'm just going to kind of give you an idea of what I'm doing because I couldn't find any information on YouTube about this. So I'm going to hopefully help somebody out with this video. Alright, so the first thing we did was mark out with a string line 20 feet by 20 feet. I did a little bit over that just to give myself extra room. I made them probably about dug the footers about 2 foot. I should have had the ground leveled beforehand, but I made this next part a little easier. This side's a lot higher than this side over here. As you can see, that board's all the way to the ground and it's completely out over there, so I'm gonna have to fill in a lot more where I dug. So I started on the high side, just got it to the height I wanted, screwed it to those 2 boards, and then I squared it and put a brace on it using the 3-4-5 method. And then I went to my next corner, did the same thing, got it level and squared it, and then went to the next corner, and this is where I stopped at. So this corner is almost squared, I just haven't braced it. And the same with this one, just gotta square it up. I ran out of 2x4s, so that's where I'm at right now. But everything's level and pretty much square. So I'm gonna get some 2x4s, and then finish up squaring it, and then start filling in dirt, which is gonna take forever. And that's where I'll come back to you at. Just a quick update. Got everything braced, squared. I'm gonna add a little bit more bracing so it doesn't push out, but I'll do that later. Now all we gotta do is add fill dirt, like 10 cubic yards over there. So add fill dirt, get the middle of this slab up to where it needs to be, and then got the rebar bent and put in. Just gotta tie it up and raise it. So that's where we're at right now. So, wheelbarrows of dirt coming up. Just a little update. Got all our fill in, and now we're compacting it. Yeah, rented a 24-inch compactor from Home Depot. So I was going around getting everything nice and tight. Gonna have to do the corners by hand, but we are almost there. After this, we're gonna get it treated for termites, and then put the rebar in and call to get it inspected. Okay, we just had it treated for termites. Now it's time to lay down some black plastic sheeting and tape up all the seams, and I'll show you what that looks like when it's done. Okay, that took about 15 to 20 minutes, if that. Still gotta button up the sides a little bit, but just gotta make sure all your seams are taped up all the way down. That's about it, as far as I understand. So I'll just staple up these sides, and that should be done. I'll be ready to put some rebar in it. Alrighty, just called to have this inspected tomorrow. It is finished. Just gotta trim up some of that plastic to the bottom of the form board, but that's all that's left. All the meshes in there tied, all the rebars ran. Footers are all done. So it is ready for concrete after inspection. Took about 3 months since we pulled the permit to get this done, that I was working a day here, a day there. So, but it's finally done. It saved us at least $2,000 just doing this ourselves. So, there you go. It is March 11th. The slab is done and dried, and the shed people are on their way to come put it up. They'll be here in about an hour. So we'll get a video of that. And then once it's all said and done, we'll come back and tell you what we learned. Alright, so it's still March 11th, and they just finished up with our shed. And here's what it looks like. Took them about 5 hours to do. Which is pretty impressive. They came, they got it all knocked out. Got a window here and a door with a little window. There's another window on the other side. It's a 9-foot bay door. And then look on the inside. So, I don't think on video it's gonna really show how big it is in here, but it's a pretty decent size little shop. So it's big enough for what I need. So, thanks for watching. That's how you build a shed.